Welcome back. Let's talk about the big earnings expected today. Vedanta is right on top of that list, and Nigel is now giving us the key expectations.
Well, that's right. Vedanta will be coming out with its set of numbers, and we'll be speaking to the management as well. More than the numbers, the management commentary is something that we'll be tracking very, very closely. To run you through the big consolidated numbers, which include Hindustan Zinc, and those numbers we already have, and that's already in the price. Well, the revenue should jump up by close to around 10%. On a year-on-year basis, the EBITDA number as well will look quite good. There will be some margin expansion that we're working with. And profit number, remember, it's all over the place because Vedanta has a couple of one-offs below the operating performance. But the operating performance is something that we'll be tracking. So the higher volumes, both in Hindustan Zinc as well as in the aluminium business, that's what's going to aid the top line growth out there. The power business, well, it will be impacted by lower generation, but that's known. And from the steel business, we like to see some kind of improvement, particularly on a sequential basis. On a sequential basis, though, we'll have the margins that will contract a little bit. And that's because they source some part of their alumina requirement from the third party. And alumina prices did move up. Remember, as of now, they're much lower. But as of the past quarter, alumina prices were higher, which will increase the cost of production, which in turn will hurt the margins on a consolidated basis. The key numbers you need to track is the aluminium, oil, as well as the international zinc business. And all those three are up for you in the screen because Hindustan Zinc is in the price. A rough EBITDA number. You have brokerages like Philip, like Kotak that have given estimates. So that's why we have got those numbers up. That's the prime importance that you're looking at. Besides the numbers, as I said, we'll be looking forward to the timelines with regard to the demerger. The street is running out of patience because earlier it was supposed to take place in the first quarter of the new fiscal. Now they've guided for the second quarter, so we'll have to wait by on that. How is the promoter on the debt front and what is the debt reduction plans as well? Some kind of guidance for the remainder of this year. So that commentary will be monitored as well as the numbers. Back to you.
Okay, thank you very much for that.